In today's video, we're showcasing 3 of the best video editor apps for Android. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just getting started, these apps offer fantastic features that make video editing easy and enjoyable. Let's dive into each app and discover how they can help you elevate your video projects. Spring Video Editor VE Maker. Spring Video Editor VE Maker is a versatile and user-friendly app designed for creating and editing videos effortlessly. It offers a range of features, including trimming, splitting, and merging clips, making it easy to craft your stories. The app also provides a wide selection of effects, filters, and transitions to enhance your videos. Users can add music, voiceovers, and text overlays for personalized touches. Spring's intuitive interface allows both beginners and experienced editors to navigate confidently, making it a great choice for anyone looking to create eye-catching videos for social media or personal use. EasyCut Video Editor VE Maker. EasyCut Video Editor VE Maker is a powerful yet straightforward video editing app that caters to users of all experience levels. It provides a range of editing functions like cutting, cropping, and merging videos, along with the option to add various effects and transitions. Users can also incorporate music from their library or add voiceovers for additional context. The app supports multiple aspect ratios, making it suitable for different platforms, whether you're creating standard videos or vertical ones for stories. EasyCut's intuitive layout and comprehensive feature set make it an excellent choice for anyone wanting to edit videos quickly and efficiently. Filmora Go. Filmora Go is specifically tailored for creating short, engaging videos perfect for platforms like Instagram and TikTok. The app features a variety of templates and effects that help users quickly assemble professional-looking reels. It offers tools for trimming and combining clips, adding music, and applying filters to elevate your video's visual appeal. With user-friendly editing tools and a focus on short-form content, Filmora Go makes it simple to bring your creative ideas to life in just a few taps. It's ideal for influencers, content creators, and anyone looking to boost their social media presence. Thanks for watching our video on the best video editor apps for Android. We hope these recommendations inspire you to create amazing videos and explore your creativity. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more great content. See you next time.